Thanks. I really appreciate being here today. I'm the fill-in guy today. Senator Barry Loudermilk is out campaigning for a fellow Republican who's in a runoff. Just as I was the fill-in guy in this race in May when Chad Whitefield dropped out, I got in that race. Back in 1998, I first started in politics, and let me stop for a minute. And one thing I realized is the three congressmen that will represent this area since I've been in politics are all here. Former Congressman Bob Barr over here. The congressman that, as he said, Floyd County elected Phil Gingrey, and our new-to-be Congressman Tom Graves. Just think if everybody in the country sent to Washington what you send to Washington, how different our country would be. And when I was elected to the County Commission in 1998 as the first Republican County Commission here, and was known as the budget hawk because of the tax cutting, the paying off the debt, the fund balance, the things that need to be done. There was another guy elected in 1998 in November in that same election up in Wisconsin, representing the 1st District, a guy named Paul Ryan, who's also a budget hawk. Nothing excites me more than having him on the ticket. It's going to be great for this area. And it's going to be great for this country, and we're going to all work hard and send Obama packing. You know, as a healthcare provider, a lot of people say, what can we do for healthcare around here? And it is complicated. There's many things that need to be done, but I always tell them the number one thing we can do for healthcare in this community, in this country, is to defeat Obama in November. Nothing will help out more than that. I look forward to serving you. And it's also my privilege to introduce the next speaker, and someone, Katie Dempsey, who I've worked with a long time. When I was on the County Commission, working hard for this community, she was on the City Commission, working hard for this community. She's in 6 years in the House, she's quickly rose to very important positions: Vice Chair of Appropriations, a member of the Rules Committee, Vice Chair of Higher Education. We've got 4 higher education facilities in this community. A member of Health and Human Services, a committee that is important to me and I plan to get on, and Economic Development. And one other thing I will add, we've still got some work to do in the district I've been in. I have always been represented my entire life in the House by a Democrat. So Eddie Lumsden, you've got a little work to do in that area. But because of redistricting, for the first time in my life, I have a conservative Republican representing me in the House. And it's the first time I've had the pleasure of having her on my ballot, and look forward to her being my representative, Katie Dempsey.